Right, good morning, Pocker's all been here. Caravan Adventures with Pocker's all been. So where are we on this lovely beginning of June 2023 weekend? We're at the Oaks Lakes Caravan Park. Oaks Lakes, it's very famous nationally for its match fishing lakes. There's 10 match lakes here. People come from all over the country to fish here. And it's got 25 pitches. Very nicely laid out, very quiet area, which I'll show you in a little while. So whereabouts is it based? It's in North Yorkshire, probably about 3.5 miles southeast of Thirsk, sort of sandwiched in between the A19 and the A168, and it's on the edges of Sessay village. Now if you're into cricket, village cricket, you might have heard of Sessay, because they've got a very good cricket team and they've won the National Village Cricket Club Championships on 3 occasions and got to the final a few times as well. So it's about a 1 mile walk into the village. If there's a cricket match on, the bar's open. Otherwise there's no shops or pubs in this area. The nearest pub's probably a couple of miles away. It's probably about 2 to 3 miles for the nearest shop. So if you do come for the weekend, make sure that you're well stocked up. The cricket bar opens when there's a match on. I think it's Fridays it's open from 5 till 9, Saturdays 5 till 9, and then on sort of bank holidays and match days. So if you're into cricket, then just a mile walk down to the village. Very nice sort of cricket area. I've got some photographs which I'll put on as well. Had a nice walk around some of the lakes last night. Seen some of the geese which have just had babies. Just coming up to one of the lakes now. Someone fished in there. It's a very quiet area. You have to keep your voice down. Let's look and see what's going on at this lake. If you've got a rod license, then you can come and fish here. It's between £10 and £12 a day. So this is one of the lakes. As I say, there's 10 lakes here, and they've also got a cafe and a tackle shop and everything like that. So if you are into fishing, bring your rods, a couple of rods. Look up the rules first though, because they've got quite a few rules about different rods and keep nets. Not that I know anything about fishing, of course. You don't have to be coming here for a weekend's fishing, because the site is really nice and quiet, and it's adults only as well. Don't think they allow anyone under the age of 18 on there. On the fishing lake, if you've got anyone under the age of 14 with you, they have to be with an adult. Yeah, this is just one of the lakes. It is very quiet, very peaceful. So we're just coming up to where the caravan park is in a moment. Poplar's Lake. And the Oaks Lakes Cafe and Tackle Shop just down there, about 50 yards. You are allowed to fish here at night time, but you can only do it by appointment only. Night fishing on Willows Lakes only. Again, very peaceful. Yeah, just coming up to the entrance to the caravan park area. Don't do what I did though. If you do come, you're supposed to press the intercom, speak to people, and they'll give you your pitch number. Okay, so here we are. Welcome to the Oaks Lakes Caravan Park. When I was driving past, I did notice it actually is a listed site on the Caravan Club with the Camping and Caravanning Club. Welcome, please press the intercom on arrival. Pre-book pitches only. Arrival 12 onwards, depart 11. Now we booked through pitch up, and it did say from 1 o'clock. Don't know about departures, but there you are. Arrival from 12 onwards. And then I drove straight past this. Please ring for attention. And then you get diverted, and then they'll give you your pitch number. 25 pitches. Got welcome packs and book swaps. Oh, there's the geese which I saw last night with their babies. So mum and dad guiding them. You've got all the information about the area. Book swap here. Might have a look in here a bit later on. Some information. So there's no pubs or shops sort of in the immediate vicinity, but there's information here about local deliveries and local takeaways. And they've got the exact address there for you to get your delivery to. If you come in October, Spillman's Farm's here. This is where the pumpkin farm is. Just the wife and the granddaughter and the kids actually go there every year to get their pumpkins. That's Spillman's farm. Yeah, little baby geese there. Welcome board. This is the first lot of pictures. I think this is 1 till 9. We're on 15, which is on the other side. Pitches are hard standing, gravel. You've got grass on the other side where you can put your awning up. And then we're just coming up to our setup. Yeah, I was going to put the awning up, but I thought there wasn't much space between the caravans, so I didn't on our particular, because some of the pictures are a bit bigger than ours, but I didn't put the awning up because I thought it would be too close to the caravan next door. And the missus will be in there somewhere, no doubt she'll be still in bed. And over there, that's the shower block. Wash your dishes up area. I won't go in there because people are getting up now. But there's about three or four showers in each side. I like the way they've done it. I don't know about yourselves, but it sort of fits into the countryside feel quite nicely. Got an accessible toilet there, keys on the door, and then you've got your usual grey waste, no chemical disposal in that one. Got one electric charging station there, seems to be the thing now, and a chemical disposal there. Okay, so I'll have a walk back round to the caravan now, put the kettle on and have a bit of breakfast. Hope you enjoyed this little look around. So we're on Oaks Lakes Caravan Park, Sessay. It's on the edge of the village and about three miles southeast of Thirsk, sort of sandwiched between the A19 and the A168. Cup of tea time. Bye for now. Mummy and Daddy guarding their chicks. So we've had a very peaceful weekend at Oaks Lakes Caravan Park and Fisheries. Had a little walk around all the 10 match lakes today. It was very peaceful. Lots of geese with babies and adolescents. So as you can see here, it's Sunday, everyone's gone. A lot of people have gone anyway. There's not many people coming in. We've almost got the pitches to ourselves. Yeah, so we're just having a little bit of a barbecue on our camping gas picnic. So what are we doing? We're doing chicken kebabs and having a little beer. Some barbecue music, according to YouTube, that's barbecue music. So I'll crack on and carry on with the barbecue and have a little drink, and we'll speak again later. Right, cheers everyone, I hope you've had a great weekend. It's been fantastic Oaks Lakes Caravan Park and fisheries. Definitely put this one in the diary for future. Very peaceful, even though there was no pub close by. 1.5 mile walk, 28 minutes. See you later. Cheers everyone, just finishing the barbie off now. Hope you've all had a fantastic weekend and you've enjoyed this little look around Oaks Lakes Caravan Park. Just in case you happen to be near first, I would highly recommend it. So we say bye for now. Cheers.
It's always hurry up and wait for your big break to come around. But if I crack the code a little late, I'm supposed to blame my age and not this town. Yeah, that don't make no sense to me. 'Cause if time defines my trajectory, then being 25 should make me history. So go ahead and write me off, that's fine by me. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you. Calling the shots, saying when I'm done. Call me a fool for thinking I could really be someone. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Yeah, all these sharks up in the hills, couldn't care less if I sink or swim. So why would I be trying to get in that game if they won't even let me in? That don't make no sense to me. 'Cause if time defines my trajectory, then being 25 should make me history. So go ahead and write me off, it's fine by me. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you. Calling the shots, saying when I'm done. Call me a fool for thinking I could really be someone. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you.